Francine came to see us because she had a bunion and some hammer toes that were very painful to her. This is one of the most common problems we see, and like a lot of patients that come to see us, she had tried most of the conservative measures. She had tried whiter shoes and pads and things like that. So really, she was interested in surgical correction. So as I got to know her and we talked about her daily routine and the activities she likes to do, it really became clear that she was interested in having surgical correction of her bunion and hammer toes, which again we do regularly on a weekly basis here at Orange County Foot and Ankle Group.
Dr. Bennett made me feel very assured and safe in his knowledge on what he was doing when he explained everything very carefully. The staff here are the sweetest. You couldn't ask for a better place to come to. I instantly knew in my gut that Dr. Bennett was a doctor I wanted to do surgery on my foot, and that's a pretty hard decision because it's hard to find a darn good podiatrist, and he's darn good.
One of the things that we do here at Orange County Foot and Ankle Group that a lot of other surgeons don't offer is we offer patients a pain pump that is inserted during their surgery, and it is essentially a device that drips a local anesthetic into the surgical site for a little more than 4 days after surgery, and it helps tremendously with pain control. In fact, many of our patients relate to us that they take no narcotics at all after surgery.
I was nervous a little bit, just normal nerves before surgery that I think everybody has. But, Dr. Bennett came in with his same demeanor, very self-assured, very warm, great bedside manner, and everybody at the hospital treated me fantastic. A lot of warm fuzzies. I felt very, very comfortable.